Question 10. The hardest bit about question 10 is drawing our diagram. We've got a tower, yeah? I think I might make it the Eye of Sauron at the top. Yeah, I've been stuck inside on my own for a while now. Okay, it's the Eye of Sauron. And the angle of elevation from the hobbits down here to the top of the tower. So the top of the tower is 64 degrees 48 minutes. From a point 10 meters from the base. And we want to find the height of the tower. So we're going to use tan. So tan 64 degrees 48 minutes equals the opposite over the adjacent. So the height of the tower is 10 tan 64 degrees 48 minutes, which gives us a bit over my calculator, to be honest, 21.25 meters. They want us to the nearest tenth of a meter, so it's 21.3 meters. Okay, question 11. Again, the hardest bit about 11 is drawing your diagram. So we have a cliff. We have some water. And we have a boat, yeah? And it's 200 meters out to sea. And the height of the cliff is 40. And we're trying to find the angle of depression of the boat. So this is the angle. This is still 40, and this top one is 200. So it honestly doesn't matter if you found the angle of elevation or the angle of depression. They're going to be the same size. So tan theta equals 40 over 200. Theta equals arctan 40 over 200. So theta equals 11.31 degrees, so it's 11 degrees. Okay, question 12, they've given us a picture. And let me get rid of the stuff about the boat. Okay. Q is 45 nautical miles from P on a bearing of 55 degrees. R is 65 nautical miles and PQR is 90 degrees. Find QPR. So they want us to find QPR. That's this one to the nearest degree. Now, I think we're going to have to use cos. So we can say cos theta equals adjacent, 45, over hypotenuse, 65. We knew it was the hypotenuse because it was opposite the right angle. So theta equals arc cos, 45 over 65, which gives us 46.19 degrees. They want it to the nearest degree, so it's 46 degrees. Okay, and B, hence find the bearing of R from P. Now, I'm going to have to draw this diagram again. Okay, no, I'm not going to. Okay, I'm going to have to just draw the diagram myself. I was really hoping I could be lazy. Now we know that this is a right angle. We know that this is 46 degrees. And they want the bearing of R from P. So we're at P. So we're at P, and this is R. And they want this. So this is north, south, west, east. If ever we want a bearing, it's always all the way around from north. So we found out that this bit was 46, and they'd already told us that this bit was 55. So the bearing is 55 plus 46, which gives us 101 degrees true from north. That's question 12. Last but not least for this video, question 13. Question 13. Bearings Y and Z from town are 60 degrees true, or town X is 60 degrees and 330 degrees respectively. Now, what that means is Y is 60 degrees from north, so we've got town X. We're going to draw our north, south, east, west, and we always go around from north. So this one here is 60, and the one going all the way around to Z is 330, which means this bit in here must be 30. So 30 plus 60 equals 90. Nice. Okay, question B. Given that town Z is 80 k's from town X, so this is 80, and X, Y, Z is 50. So what they're saying there is that this angle here is 50. Find how far Y is from X. So I want to find this one, and I'm going to call this D. So I'm going to draw this triangle again. We know this is a right angle. We know this is 80. We know this is 50. And we want to know this one. So we're going to use tan. We don't know anything about the hypotenuse. So tan 50 equals 80 on D. So D equals 80 on tan 50. So D equals 80 on tan 50. Gives us 67.13 kilometres. They wanted it to the nearest kilometre, so that's just 67 kilometres.